こんにちは。
こんにちは。
今日はなんかバイキングフェスティバルがアッシュビルっていう町であるっていうんでやってきました。なんか小さな町のお祭りみたいな、夜市みたいな感じなのかな。はい、じゃあそれを回していきます。馬がいます。馬がこんな感じです。この人は何屋さんなんでしょう。素晴らしい。ホルモンのバイキングみたいな。Snow?
Huh?
Corn? Corn
Yes.
of what?
It's for drinking.
I know that.
Okay.
But a corn of cow?
Yeah.
すごいですI want to take a video.ずんずんと歩いていきます。
Make up my mind, baby.
We are taking.
Want to buy some furs?
Fur. 毛皮こんな感じですね。ああ。こんな感じですね。これ結構重たいです。なんだろう。斧は重いだけど、ここに
I'm gonna get a small one.
なんかスモークなんか吸えるみたいな。あ、キセル？キセル？おー、キセル。スモーク from here.
Yes, that's what I said.
Ah.
I'm gonna buy this.
I don't know how to say キセル in English. Greg got it? There's Greg.
I'm gonna get this one.
He chose one. 選んだみたいです。Okay, show me what you choose. And okay. これは何ぞや。
Can I interest you guys in a snake in a jar? Went after a rat, eat it, and then the guy got it back.
Seed roll.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no. Son of no. Is that a restaurant? Ah, なんか向こうでやってますね。What they're doing?
I don't know. There's a performer on stage, but I don't know if he's a comedian or a storyteller or.
The whole time hiding that ball right here in his hand.
Yeah. Oh, look at the boat. Do you see? あーさっき馬がいたんですけどね。あ、いた。馬。
Huh?
Horse.
Yes.
Yeah.
She gets excited when she sees horses.
Maybe we can go to the Renaissance Festival again.
Yes. Yeah, we'll go
With
again.
costume.
Oh no.
I will say, I know I love sitting down. It's my second favorite activity after using the bathroom. However, we do believe that if you were to stand over here, it'd be a better view of the list.
I can hear you nice and loud. I can hear you. Everyone else is a little quiet.
Yeah!
Yes! Alright, yeah! Yes! In most cases. It's not about the size. It's about the feel and the power. Can I get a higher?
Yeah!
Yes! Thank you! Alright. Simple. When the arms go out, that means to scream, or cheer, or I don't know, say something at a very
Yeah!
Thank you.
That's a big horse.
Yeah,
Yeah!
you better not miss.
Well, I'm not going to carry it.
Good boy, Bob. Good boy, puppy dog. Good boy, Bob. There you go.
長いスティックを棒を持ってます。
Trying to get the reins.
OK じゃあ戦いも終わったんで、なんて言うんだろう日本語で。終わったんで帰ります。
I'm here to tell you today just a couple items I got at the Viking Festival that was really cool. First, I wanted something for the shot glass collection. Yuko and I make it a point to grab shot glasses wherever we go. And this was made out of a cow horn, and it's really cool. It has wood, so it sits flat. And then the replica of an old battle axe, which is very similar to what the Native American indigenous Indians in America had, because it's a pipe that they could have what they called for a peace pipe. They could smoke out of the stem right there. And thank you for watching.